Please, before we start, we would like every one of us to stand up for just 1 minute in honor of those of the Obidient movement worldwide who lost their lives during the period of registration and during the period of voting. Remember, we have people we lost in Kaduna, Kebbi State, Lagos. All of these people are obedient, and they lost their lives because they want good governance in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So can we observe just 1 minute silence in respect of these important, patriotic Nigerians? May the souls of the departed rest in perfect peace. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the 14th of August 2025. Barely just 4 days before INEC commenced another batch of registration of voters. Fellow Nigerians, in response to the urgent national clamor for the rescue of our beloved nation and the birth of a new Nigeria, the Obidient movement is excited to announce the launching of a new campaign. A new Nigeria is possible. Get your PVC and go mad. To go mad, acronyms stand to get organized, make election rigging difficult. Let me repeat. Get organized, make election rigging difficult, which underscore our new focus as we head into the 2027 election season. It is our plan to mobilize millions of Nigerians into organized voting blocks, ensure that every eligible citizen has a permanent voter's card, and protect the integrity of the 2027 elections. To protect the integrity of the 2000 election and ensure more Nigerians participate in the democratic process, the Go Mad campaign has a straightforward mission. In every polling unit across Nigeria, every Obidient will either lead or join a voting block of at least 100 Nigerians in their polling unit. We will work to achieve 100% of PVC ownership in each block. We will go door to door, help people get to registration points, and recruit 1,500 value-based leaders to run for offices under the Obidient platform as a gathering point. In 2027, we will turn our people en masse to vote out bad leaders, those who cannot give us good governance, defend the process with 1 million trained voters protectors, and use technology at real-time reporting, no more glitches, and proactive measures resist to make rigging very unattractive and dangerous to politicians and institutions, with delight in thwarting the people's mandate, just like we saw in the 2023 general elections. As Obidients, we believe that a new Nigeria is one where food is affordable, communities are secured, healthcare works, education equips our young people for the future. Rural areas are connected to markets. Women have equal opportunities. Business can grow without harassment, and the diaspora can return home with pride. For our children, it is about building a country where patriotism is not a burden, but a thing of joy. We call on every Obidient and every Nigerian who believe in a better future to take part in this campaign. Do not leave it for others. Do not be intimidated. Do not feel harassed. No Nigerian is more superior than any other Nigerian. Get your PVC or help at least 10 other persons to get theirs. We call it Operation 1010. Create or join a voting blog at Obidients.com. That is our website that you can reach right now. Mobilize your friends and neighbors, colleagues and families to register and prepare to vote. It may interest you to know at the last elections, we have over 90 million registered voters. But at the end of it all, we have only less than 23 to 24% of that total vote that vote, and they gave us this particular government. Volunteers as vote defenders in your polling unit for 2027. Attend rallies, town hall meetings, and community events to spread this message. Share this campaign online using the hashtag A New Nigeria is Possible. Save Nigeria and get your PVC at GoMed 1 million Obidient. The path from frustration to transformation is clear. We can save Nigeria. We can make election rigging difficult. And together, we can prove that a new Nigeria is possible. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you very much. Please go out, help, defend your interests, register as voters, for a new Nigeria is ready for us to take it. And we believe strongly that our leader, His Excellency Peter Obi, is the key to revamping and restructuring and making Nigeria a better place for all of us. I thank you very much for listening.